In today's video, I'm gonna go over a custom GPT model that I've built for enhancing ad copy on certain websites. So this is a great technique that you can use, and I'll leave a link below with the custom GPT. But pretty much what this custom GPT does is you link what website that you're prospecting or may want to use for a client, input the website into this GPT, and it will go ahead and automatically rewrite the ad copy to be more persuasive and use psychology to make sure that it's driving sales and conversions. So the first thing we're gonna do is find a untapped niche, and I got one here for you guys that you can use today. I've gone into the Chicago area and we're gonna go to pet services. Now, a lot of people spend a lot of money on their pets, so this is a perfect niche because I went through about 100 to 200 websites and they look horrible. Like, the ad copy is terrible. They don't have everything properly set up in the right spot. They don't have lead forms. It's just a mess. And on top of that, I've been noticing that the reviews are super low. If you look over here on the left, you got 9 stars, 56, 3, 5, 7, 17. So there are tons of these businesses, but they don't seem to have any type of Google review automation set up, which is another service that you can sell them. But let's stay on task here, and I'm gonna bring you guys over to a few that I found that are horrible. So here's one right here that has a black background. Now, I'm not a big fan of black backgrounds and it doesn't convert as well. So right off the bat, they're trying to give you 20% off of their month when you try their services. But let's just keep scrolling down here. Very simple images here, and it looks like they're prioritizing leave us a review, which is a call to action they shouldn't have on their hero section. Now, they do have a book online right here and a phone number, but here's an issue. When I'm in mobile, I cannot click the phone number to call them. All right, very good to know. Their site is mobile optimized, but look how much text you have here. Now, if we scroll down, their testimonials, looks like they have some social proof here, which is good. I think they did that portion really well. Now, as far as the get in touch, they should have this at the top. All right, let's go over to another one that I found here. This one's called AllegroPetServices.com. This logo takes up way too much space. You can't even see the image in the hero section, so they need to change that. There's no clear call to action anywhere on the hero section, which is something they need to change as soon as possible. They're getting fall off here, and this image already is just too big. There's no reason to have this image the full entire size of the screen here. Now, if we scroll down here, it's all about the dogs, power of the pack. They've got some good puns here, and it looks like their ad copy isn't too bad. Since 2014, we have concentrated on building relationships with pets and clients as the bedrock of our business. When we treat your pets as our own, only the highest level of care will suffice. Not very good ad copy. So this is a perfect example to show the new GPT model that I built. Now, we scroll down a little bit, a follow on Instagram, contact us to get started. Let's see what their contact us page looks like. I clicked it. Is it not loading? We'll click it again. Page not found. Okay, so like I said, broken links inside of websites is a clear indicator that they are not paying attention to their website. Copyright 2024, as we see in the bottom here, and that means that somebody has really messed up on their website. If I was their web designer, this would be a huge red flag and need to be monitored. Okay, another broken link here to contact us to get started. So this is a company you can reach out to and let them know that their website's broken. Go ahead, give them a call and say, hey, I just wanna let you guys know, I tried booking and your website's broken. But I wanna let you know that I also build websites. So I've gone ahead and remade your website for you. Do you have any time in the next day or two to hop on a demo call with me and I can show you the functionality of it? And that's a great little pitch that you can go ahead and call them and give to them. Okay, now, like I said, let's go home, and we're just gonna copy this web address, and then we're gonna go over to my custom GPT model here, which is Titan SaaS Ad Copy Enhancer. So it enhances ad copy using persuasive psychology. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug in the URL, and then we are going to just hit rewrite this ad copy from the website I linked. Good, and we just hit this, perfect. So we go ahead and give them the link. Now it's gonna search the web, browsing it. It has found the website here, as you can see. It's got it right there. And now it's gonna start rewriting all of their ad copy with persuasive psychology to drive sales and help with their conversions. And it looks like they're just trying to currently drive actions to the, here's their call to action. It's just a contact us. So their call to action is a contact us button, which, like I said, they need to have up at the top here. So that's something that you can go ahead and fix for them. Okay, so let's check this out. At Allegro Pet Services, we redefine dog care by putting heart and expertise into every interaction. And it's got a little blurb about their 2014. Tailored service for unique pets, comprehensive care anytime you need it, join our community. So I'm gonna say I need more call to actions inside the ad copy to drive. Okay, so now it's going to, you can just sit here and work with it, because now it's going to go ahead and add more call to actions, and that's gonna help drive conversions. So here, let's see what it did. Book a service. So it's got this right here. So it's got book a service, schedule a consultation today. So these that are bolded right now are where you would put the button inside the ad copy. And what you really want to do is, on every single time I scroll down, you'll want to see, okay, like there should be a clear call to action and a button inside this page. Now you scroll down, there should be a clear call to action inside this page and at the top as well. Okay, so now you're kind of seeing what you can do to rewrite their ad copy. Let's go to another website I got here. So I found another website called pamperedpetservices.com. And scroll to the top here, Pampered Pet Services Resort and Spa. Now I do like the gallery view here. I think that showing happy dogs and client successes like this is a great touch to add inside of your website. So here you can tell that this company does their website properly. At the very top, we have a number. The number is a clickable button. Let's go ahead and F12 to see if it's mobile optimized. It is mobile optimized. Now, I don't see the phone number anymore, but that's fine. We have a call to action, learn more in the hero section, which is the first part that opens up. And you scroll down, it looks like there's more, visit our services. And then there's an about us. That's a lot of text. I would kind of change that. But here's our story, which I wouldn't really link to our story on the funnel, because you want to drive conversions. You don't want them to learn about your story. All right, and we have a learn more, learn more, learn more. So there's vaccinations, cancellation policy, stuff like that. I would reorganize this and only try to drive one specific call to action on this page and treat it more like a funnel. They are probably losing a lot of traffic down here. As you can see, they have home, about us, policy, service forms, dog boarding, dog daycare, dog grooming, pet sitting, dog swimming therapy, dog training, employment, volunteer, contact us. So there's so many different pages that you can go to on this website, and that's gonna have a lot of drop off. So you wanna make sure that if you're running some type of website like this to get more business, you really want it to just have one conversion. Now let's go ahead and copy this over and have it. Here's another website to redo ad copy for. How can you improve it? Show me what you improve and why at the end. So it's gonna search it. It's found the website right here. Here's a revised version of the ad copy with enhancements and explanations for each modification. So welcome to Pampered Pet Services Resort and Spa. At Pampered Pet Services, we know your pet is part of your family. That's why we invite you to schedule a tour of our facility today and see firsthand the love and care we provide. Good call to action right there, and they've bolded it for you. Explore our comprehensive pet care services. That would probably be another call to action button. Revitalizing with dog swimming therapy. Very cool. That's a unique selling point that they have front and center, which is great. And here is the call to action: enroll your dog in swimming therapy and watch them thrive. See how that see how the persuasive psychology helps in that line. So enhancements explained. It's increased the call to actions, added specific actions like scheduling a tour, exploring services, booking appointments, and enrolling in programs to encourage immediate engagement. Focused on benefits, highlighted the benefits of each service, such as comfort, health, and fun, to appeal to the emotional and practical needs of the pet owner. Emphasize trust and community. Strengthen language around trust and community to build emotional connections with pet owners, positioning Pampered Pets Pet Service as a caring and relatable partner for pet care. These changes aim to make the ad copy more engaging and actionable, likely increasing the conversion by appealing directly to the owner's desires for their pet's happiness and and well-being. Okay, this is perfect. Now, how you would actually profit from rewriting these websites, ad copy, is once you get that done and you find a few good websites to do this with, then we would go over to Go High Level. All right, once you're over to Go High Level, hit New Funnel from Template, hit Continue, and I would actually pitch them a brand new website and do the ad copy and everything that you just redid, taking their specific information and putting it into a template. So now there aren't many pet service templates here, but here's one right here, pet insurance upsell, which you can take, and you can go ahead and scroll through this. It's not very large, but if you go ahead and hit continue, then it's gonna add the template into your account. Now, once that opens up, inside of Go High Level, it has a great website builder. So this website builder, you can go ahead and drag that ad copy right into here. You can just go ahead and take it like this. You just copy it over, and then you can bring it in, and inside here, you can just select these and change them around. Now, if you guys want a full in-depth guide on how to create these websites, go ahead and click the video on screen, and I'll walk you guys through exactly my strategy to building these websites from the ground up. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.